Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh, your voiceover coach from VoiceOver Extra. Today's topic, practice makes perfect. If you can't like this video from where you're watching, please watch it on YouTube to like it and to subscribe to my channel. Thanks. It's always a good idea to expand your skills. Committing to voiceover helps to improve your acting ability. By following these 7 steps, you will master self-direction. As a voice actor, you're beginning to master self-direction with every audition you do. 2. Engage your imagination. Applying your imagination to a script that lacks imagery is vital to your performance. The greater your imagination, the greater your performance. Number 3. Practice vocal health. Your voice is considered the core expression of your performance. You improve your ability to express yourself well when you pay attention to your vocal health. VoiceOver allows you to do this. 4. Discover microphone techniques. VoiceOver is the ultimate crossover medium. Become familiar through reading or watching videos about microphone techniques to help you deliver a seamless performance. 5. Step out of your comfort zone. Only through exposing yourself to controlled risk can you learn to trust your gut and create with every take. Number 6. Focus on your acting ability. VoiceOver allows you the freedom to play roles for which you might otherwise never be considered. This allows you to branch out and apply your acting chops on a number of roles to help you grow as an actor. And 7. Practice makes perfect. Use your performance muscle or it will atrophy. Nothing improves your skills and innate abilities to remain sharp as exposing yourself to multiple auditions. Pursuing voiceover requires you to audition often each day. Remember, practice makes perfect. This is Joe Lesh, your voiceover coach. There's a subscribe button on my YouTube channel. It should be right about there. Be sure to click it. And join me for Mojo Friday, the first and third Friday of each month here at VoiceOver Extra. It's time to get your mojo working.